Maunus. Oh, okay. Cosimo. This is Cosimo. Cosy? Yes, Cosy. Yes. Hello. Bonjour. Dis bonjour. Cockatoo. Cockatoo. I love you. And Pinky, you're still having a shower. Now, it's true the birds' wings have been clipped this summer, and they're much happier because it means they can come outside in the nice sunshine and be with us rather than sitting in the cage. They're really happy. It's a difficult choice to make. Maunus. Maunus, talk to us. Where's Cos? Cosimo? Oh, and there's a rabbit. You're looking beautiful, Maunus. Look at his wings. Oh, and there is a naughty cockatoo. Saying hello, baby. There. Cockatoo in the garden. Double yellow-headed Amazon with a small rabbit in the background. So welcome to the madhouse of Brussels. He's having a nice time in the garden.